All right, so this is Tyler Hernandez here. Going to walk through Datapath Partner, which is our app that we've been working on for computer architecture in order to help students learn how to complete data paths more efficiently. Just starting out here, this is the home screen. This is what they would see whenever they would open up the app. It shows the name of the app, and it prompts them to select which type of data path they would like to complete. There are three different types they could choose from: load, store, or arithmetic. We chose to go through store for this example. So looking here, once we've collected or selected the type of data path that they would like to challenge themselves to complete, we could see that there is here it's prompting them to complete the data path, and it has an image of the store data path here that I've actually removed one of the lines from. This is one of the images that we used from class. You may notice it's kind of hard to read. That has to do with some of the formatting we had to do to be able to make this up. But in the actual implemented version, it would look better than that. So here we have the question, which connection is missing? They would be able to look here and try to decide which connection they would like to say is their answer that they would put in there to make the data path work, the store data path work. So let's say that they're looking down at these three different options that they have. They have read data from memory and write it to the register. They have read data to and write that into the memory, or they have read data to and write that into the ALU. So let's say that they choose read data memory into writing the data for the register. Well, they got some negative feedback that looks like it's probably wrong. The image hasn't changed, it hasn't given them a solution. And it's given them the incorrect prompt here with the option to do an explanation. Now, if they don't want to do the explanation, they can go back and they can retry the problem here, no problem at all. But let's say that they do want to look at the explanation. Clicking the explanation button will complete the image and show them the correct data path. It will also give an explanation to them about why the selection they originally chose is incorrect and which selection would be the correct one in the future. So let's say they go back. Let's see if they can choose the right one now. So we've marked this one out. We have these two to choose from. Maybe it's read data to ALU. Well, I guess that wouldn't make much sense. So let's go read data to write data in the memory. That's correct. They've received positive feedback. The image has been completed so they can see what a correct store data path looks like. And then they can return home so that they can see a new problem to try to complete.